Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 300. And the first one, when you listen to music or watching a movie, if your speaker close to you, you can use controls, not your phone or another device. And right here at the top we have all of controls. We can play or pause the song or the movie. We can increase and lower the volume. We can play next or previous track. We can also enable or disable bass boost with it. Next one, that you can improve your listening experience by changing equalizer presets, and you need to open SOUNDCORE application, and right here we have 4 presets what SOUNDCORE offer for us, but also we can create a custom one, and I also recommended to enable auto adaptive equalizer for it, and it will adjust equalizer like depend of the different position of your speaker. So now it's lying and we have 1. If it's standing, it will change it, as you can see, and the same with this one. As you can see, it work with a custom preset. It work that you can use different custom presets for this placement, and it's a cool mod, and maybe you will like it. Also, you have a bass boost, as I said previous, that you can use control to enable it, but you can also enable it in the application, because this is equalizer preset. Next one, that this speaker support dual connection, so you can connect 2 devices with your speaker at the same time, and it's a good one. And next top trick, it's better for Android users, not for Apple users, because this speaker support LDAC, and Apple devices doesn't support this codec. It used only SBC and AAC, and AAC is your maximum, but not LDAC. And not all Android phones actually support this codec, and you need to support, I mean, your phone should support this codec to use it with a speaker to hear the different. And you can enable it in the application by go to the settings. Right here we have sound mode, and you just enable LDAC. You need to wait just a second, and now, as you can see, we use it. Also, if you have some trouble with your speaker, you can easily perform a factory reset and fix a lot of trouble with it. And to do this, you need only press and hold at the same time Bluetooth button and volume up button until your speaker is turned off. It's something like 4 seconds, and then you just reconnect it to your phone. I mean, you remove it and add it to your phone. If you don't know how, this channel we have a video about it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!